Hey, what's up everybody? We're back here at Krusty Customs Garage. This video is going to be a little bit of discovery about this. This is the 16 valve turbo in my 90 Corrado. And you can see it's got a little turbo strapped on the back. I know very little about this. Got the car and that's about it. So what I've got here, I'm going to show you on my camera. Let me try to coordinate this and try to show you. What we've got here is a little, I don't know if you can read that, Fantronics. I got it off of Amazon, and it is a borescope. So I was told that in this engine lies JE pistons, ARP head studs, and God knows what else. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of the spark plugs out, which I already loosened it. I'm going to set the camera, the phone here, going to set it up so that we can both look together, and I'm going to stick the borescope down inside and see if we can see a nice shiny new piston. So fingers crossed. So give me just a second here. I'm going to set my phone somewhere where we can, oh geez, this is top quality stuff here. Okay, so let's try that again. We're going to set this down. Okay, so we're going to be able to see that hopefully. Oh, there's too much reflection. Let me put this down low. All right. Oh, nothing but professional expertise in videography. I mean, I should get some kind of freaking award. Okay, so that's going to be a little better. So there you see, borescope's kind of just aimed at the top of the radiator, you know, and we'll move our way across just to give you an idea of how well it works. You can see the fuel rail there. Kinda. You can see the fuel rail. So I'm going to take that spark plug out and we'll take a look inside. So look at that funky shot. It's my camera recording the video of the phone. Wow, this is messy. All right, anyway, we'll be right back. Well, all right, here we are back again. I wanted to show you the spark plug. So this kind of makes me think that there's some truth to this engine being built, and here is my spark plug. It is brand new. So I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to aim my camera, which is somehow currently aimed right next to my junk somehow. I'm just going to get that away from my junk, and you and I are going to take this journey together right down inside. And I might need two hands for this. I hope not. Give me just 1 second here. I'm going to straighten out. This borescope's cool because the entire wiring setup on it is rigid. So if you look, I can just straighten that out, and then we can go straight down into the cylinder. So as you can see, there is my camera. There's the turbo. Let's go in there first, huh? Suspense, drama. Going in the turbo, into the turbo. Not much to see there. Pretty neat nonetheless, though. All right, anyway, let's get to the real shiz of this video. Anyway, you can see my ugly reflection in my cell phone. Well, we're gonna go down inside. I already like what I see because the light is shining back at me. We are inside. Oh wow, that's the piston right there. That piston looks very shiny, but I can't really see much else. So I think what we'll do is we'll pop another. It's almost like it's at top dead center right now. So let me pull another spark plug. I'm gonna pull number 4 here, and we'll be right back. We'll try this again. Okay guys, we're back here with the discovery inside this 16 valve turbo. So I just wanted to show you again. I took out the number 4 plug this time, and again, that is brand new. So I'm gonna grab my borescope, and we're going to go right in number 4 right there. So I'm going to go down in there, we'll get it in there, and then we'll show you what it looks like on the phone. So here comes the borescope. Oh, I'm caught up on the wire, and there we go. There goes the borescope down inside. A little bit of dirt and junk inside the oh, come on, let me straighten that out a little better. Okay, straighten that out a little better. We'll go down here. You guys are joining me now. You can see right where the spark plug mounted. You can see a little bit of dirt and stuff in there. I'm gonna go past that and try to. Get in there, you bastard. Okay, hold on. Okay. Let me just take a peek down in there myself. Okay, so what I have done is this number 4 here that you see that I was going into is also almost at top dead center. So yeah, so I'm going to put that plug back in and I'm going to pull out the other 2 and we'll just take them all out. So one of these is going to be low enough to show me the top of a piston, and then maybe one of you guys can tell me if it's a stock 16 valve VW piston or if it is a JE piston, which is what the previous owner said was in there. Now if it isn't, I'm not blaming him because he bought this engine from somebody else, put it in the car many years ago, and then never did anything with it. So there's another brand new spark plug. That's number 3. We'll spin you around. I'll hit you up on, ooh, don't fall. We'll hit you up on number 2 here. Okay. And for reference, this is an NGK BCP7ES. S is in Sam on the end of that. Get in there. Get the spark plug out of here. Another minty brand new spark plug. Never fired. All right, now let's try to set you guys up. All right, so now hopefully that's a good enough view. You guys can see where my bore scope is going. The bore scope is now headed towards number 3. Down into number 3. You can see a little debris there. That's pretty standard operating procedure for this type of stuff. And let's get you in there. Okay, so now we are inside the cylinder. Oh, I hope that isn't what I think it is over there. I hope that's not a crack. What do you guys think? Oh, shit. I don't know what to make of that. Alright, I'm going to try to put a little angle on the bore scope here and stick her in. Hopefully I can get a little bit better approach on this. And I'm not having much luck here. Okay, yeah, that's a little better. Okay, cylinder wall looks good, so it doesn't look like it's left any scoring. Trying to see what you guys are seeing. I don't know if that's just like oil. Looks like it could just be oil. Focus, you bastard. Yeah, I think that could just be oil. I really hope it is. Man, I really hope this doesn't have a roached piston. Well, anyway, well, you pros out there. Sorry, I lost my... Okay, it popped out of the bore. Maybe you guys can look. Let me straighten that out so we can get a nice overhead shot again. There we go. Maybe you guys can tell me, man, that looks so bad. Is that on the other side though? Let me get... All right, popping back here. Had a battery go dead on me here on my GoPro, so we're back. Little situation here, if you can look. Ah, damn it, did it again. There we go. If you look down here in the picture, let me move it up. If you look in the picture, does that or does that not look cracked? I can't tell. It looks a little liquidy, like it has a shine to it, but I can't tell. I'm just trying to put a little curve on it. Maybe we can get in there just a bit more and get onto that. and see what we're doing. Gotta find it again. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, what's that over there? Either way, I mean, it looks very clean in here, but damn, I don't think this engine has been run, and it's, yeah, that would be terrible. Let me see if I can get more brightness on. Nope, nope. Maybe that is just some, maybe oil or something, because I'm seeing, I don't know if that's a shadow up there. I don't know if you can see that. Let me move you in. Try to, can't really see because of the glare. I am really sorry, but there's definitely, if you look right there, I think that is oil. So let's go into the number 2. This one looks pretty good. Get a better look at the walls. Oop, not the walls of the valve cover, the walls of, oh, either way, you get the idea. Looks pretty clean. If somebody could let me know if this has a, if those look like stock pistons. I mean, it looks really clean in there. I'm a little worried about that number 3 with that little, it looks kind of like a crack, but it might not be a crack. It does look like maybe a little bit of oil, just a little tiny bit of oil somehow got there. Engine's been sitting a long ass time, so you never know. Anyway, I'm going to conclude this video now, and I just wanted to check things out. Yeah, this borescope is pretty cool. So just don't, if you do buy one, oh, it was only 20 bucks on Amazon, but I'm going to warn you, don't put it in your nose. Because if you're a guy who's a little older like me, it looked like, if you watch Star Wars where the land speeders are going through the woods and they show like you're riding it and the trees are flying by, yeah, it looked like that. It was not, I gotta get up in there, I gotta hedge trim that out hard. So I'm gonna go do that now. I'd like to give a shout out to Manscaped, because you're gonna have a big part in the harvesting of my nose hairs today. So anyway, shout out to them, and a shout out to all you guys for watching this. So peace out, mofos. Like, share, subscribe, any of that other crap you want to do. Tell your friends, and have them stop on by. Thanks a lot. Thanks for coming by Crusty Customs Garage. See ya.